If there's a power cut, you want to be able to switch to the emergency power source, such as this generator or a series of generators connected together, so that the cooling pumps can continue to operate. Instead of drawing their electrical power from the mains supply, they'll then draw the electrical power from the emergency generator. You may also need this in an airport or other types of public buildings, such as hospitals, libraries, shopping centres. Why would you need them in these areas? Imagine you're shopping round at 10 o'clock at night and suddenly the lights go off in the shopping mall. That's not an ideal situation, but if there's a blackout in the area, then there may be no lighting, there may be no air conditioning, there may be no running water anymore. Let's load up this one here. It's labelled emergency generator, which strictly speaking isn't true, because although we can use this generator as an emergency generator, we can use it also just to generate electrical power. We're using air for cooling. That's what this front section here is for. We blow air across a heat exchanger. We've got an engine to the left of where my mouse is now, and it's this reciprocating internal combustion engine, acronym RICE, that we're going to use as a prime mover to generate electrical power. So you can see here we've got a typical 4-stroke internal combustion engine. We're going to inject fuel, the fuel gets ignited, the pistons move up and down, and then we transfer that linear motion from the pistons to a crankshaft here. The crankshaft then rotates, so now the motion is radial. So you can see that there are many types of application for a generator, like this one shown here, and they're used a lot because they're relatively cheap, they're easy to install, and they're very reliable. The fuel can be natural gas, it can be diesel or another type of light fuel oil, and these types of fuel are readily available.